In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart Microsoft Edge. If your browser feels sluggish, an extension is acting up, or a website isn't behaving as expected, a quick restart often clears things up without changing your settings or losing your browsing session. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Before we continue, take a moment to save any work you don't want to lose, especially if you're typing into a web form or filling out a long application. While Edge does a good job restoring tabs, unsaved form entries or in-progress uploads might not always come back exactly as they were. With Edge open, click into the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you usually type website addresses. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+L or Alt+D to jump straight to the address bar. Both do the same thing and can speed up this process. Now type Edge/restart and press Enter. This is a built-in Edge command, not a website, and it tells the browser to shut down and immediately relaunch itself. It's safe to use and is often the fastest way to clear minor glitches without going through menus or changing your startup settings. After you press Enter, your Edge windows will close briefly and then reopen. When Edge comes back, it should restore your previous windows and tabs just as they were. If you were browsing with multiple windows or profiles, those should return too. Any downloads in progress may pause during the restart and resume when possible. If a tab prompts you to resubmit a form, review it before proceeding to avoid duplicating submissions. Extensions will reload as well, which can help if an extension needed a refresh to start working correctly again. If you want a more thorough reset of the browser processes, useful when something still seems stuck, click the three horizontal dots in the top right corner and choose Close Microsoft Edge. This command ensures the app fully exits, including background processes like extension helpers or notification services. Give it a moment to close completely. When you're ready, open Edge again the way you normally do. This clean reopen can resolve stubborn issues that a quick restart didn't fix. That's all there is to it. Use Edge/restart when you need a fast refresh, and use Close Microsoft Edge for a complete shutdown before reopening. With these two approaches, you'll keep Edge running smoothly and get back to browsing with minimal interruption.